Welcome back to Tech 360. Imagine a classroom where AI understands your learning style, customizes lessons just for you, and even grades your assignments instantly. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Welcome to the future of education, where artificial intelligence is transforming the way we learn. In today's video, we'll explore how AI is shaping the classrooms of tomorrow, the benefits and challenges, and what this means for students and teachers. Let's dive in. One of the biggest game changers AI brings to education is personalized learning. Unlike traditional teaching, where everyone learns at the same pace, AI tailors lessons according to each student's strengths and weaknesses. Platforms like Duolingo and Khan Academy AI adjust difficulty levels based on student performance, ensuring a more effective learning experience. This means no more falling behind or getting bored in class. AI ensures that every student progresses at their own speed, making education truly student-centric. Gone are the days when students had to wait for teachers to clarify doubts. AI-powered tutors like ChatGPT and Google Bard can provide instant explanations, step-by-step solutions, and even alternative methods to solve problems. These AI tutors are available 24/7, breaking the barriers of time and location. And the best part? These systems use natural language processing, so students feel like they're having a real conversation rather than just searching for answers on Google. Teachers spend hours grading assignments, but AI is changing that too. With automated grading systems, AI can assess multiple-choice questions, short answers, and even essays in seconds. This not only saves time, but also ensures fair and unbiased evaluations. Plus, students get immediate feedback, allowing them to improve faster. Imagine how much more time teachers will have to focus on creative and interactive teaching. Learning isn't just about reading textbooks anymore. AI-powered virtual reality and augmented reality are making education more engaging than ever. Instead of memorizing facts about space, students can take a virtual trip to Mars. Instead of reading about ancient civilizations, they can experience them firsthand. These immersive experiences make learning fun and help students retain information better. Imagine dissecting a frog in biology class without the mess. Of course, with every new technology comes challenges. One major concern is the fear that AI will replace teachers. But let's be clear, AI is not here to replace educators. It's here to assist them. Teachers provide emotional support, creativity, and critical thinking skills that AI simply cannot replicate. Another concern is data privacy. AI collects massive amounts of student data to personalize learning. But how secure is this data? Schools and tech companies must ensure strict privacy measures to protect students' information. Despite these challenges, one thing is certain. AI is revolutionizing education. From personalized learning to immersive experiences, the possibilities are endless. The future of education isn't about replacing teachers, but enhancing the way we learn. So, what do you think about AI in classrooms? Are you excited or concerned? Let's discuss in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.